Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about scope of variable in Python. So what is the scope of variable? Scope of variable are two types in Python. So first one is local variable and second one is global variable. And what is the local variable? So whatever variable which are defined inside of the function, that variable we can called local variables. And whatever variable which are defined outside of the function, that variable we can say global variables. Okay, so this is how here is the example for scope of variable global and local. So I have defined the one global variable and which value is 10, and I have created the one function, and I have defined the same variable which having the same name as the global variable inside of the function, so that is the local variable. So what value will be printed inside of the function and outside of the function for variable x. Let's see the output for this program. So as you can see, we have defined the function inside of the we have defined the variable inside of the function which is local variable, and which value is also as we have defined inside of the function, which nothing but 5. And in a global value of variable x is 10. Okay, so this is how you can use the local variable and global variable. If I want to use global variable value inside of the function, then we don't need to do anything. You can directly access and print the global variable inside of the function. Okay, global inside. So as you can see in the output, global inside value for x is also a 10, and outside of the function which is also a 10. So what if I am writing program like this, and like this is our local variable, right? And if I am changing that variable which are defined in the function, and also want to access the global variable, then what will happen? So this is according to whatever we have seen so far. Okay, so we can print and access the value of global variable inside of the function. Okay, and what we are doing over here is we are accessing the global variable value, and we are also changing the variable value inside of the function which is having the same name as the global variable. Let's see what is the output for this. So this is giving us the error, that is local variable x reference before assignment. So what happened inside of this program? So this error is occurred because whenever we are defining like this, whenever we are accessing the global variable and change the value, then Python assume that the variable is local variable because of we have assigned the value to that particular variable. Because of this, Python assume that this is the local variable, and that's why this x is also a local variable and which does not have any value, and that's why this error is occurred. Okay, so what uh, we need to do to access the variable, and we can change also the value of the global variable. So we need to use the global keyword, global x. So whenever you are using the global keyword for that particular variable, then you can access the variable value which is we have defined in the global, and you can change the value of that global variable, and it will affect outside of the function also for this print statement also. So let's run this program and see the output. So as you can see, we have accessed the global variable using global keyword, and we have changed the value of that variable. So this is also change the value of the global variable, and it will affect outside of the function also. So this is how you can use the global and local variable. So whenever we have defined the variable, for whenever we are creating the variable and changing the variable inside of this function, that are local variable. Okay, and if we are defining the variable outside of the function, then that are global variables. And you can access and print the global variable without the global keyword, but whenever you want to change them, okay, whenever you want to change the variable's value which is defined inside of the function and having the same name as the global variable, then you must need to use the global keyword, and you can change the value of that global variable. Okay, and it will affect throughout your program, as we have seen for outside of the function call also. So I hope you have understood the concept of scope of functions, scope of variable inside of the program. Thank you. See you in the next video.